Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by narrowing scope. Pick a niche, target price, and desired margin so AI focuses where value exists. Once set, pull a sample dataset, about 100 ASIN or SKUs from 3 marketplaces, and import to a structured spreadsheet with sales, reviews, price, rank, and keyword fields. You do this to give the AI a clear reference. Make sure data is clean and consistent. That upfront discipline prevents garbage outputs and speeds the next analysis step. Now you feed that dataset to an AI workflow. Prompt an LLM to summarize demand drivers and recurring customer complaints, then run clustering to find feature and price clusters. Once done, ask the model to produce keyword sets with relative search interest and simulate margin impact scenarios for different price points. You validate results against high-level metrics like review velocity and category rank trends. This layered approach reveals product gaps and the exact features buyers value most, so you know where to compete. You end by choosing 3 product concepts with clear projected margin, estimated volume, and a primary differentiator. Next, validate fast. Create simple ad tests, a landing page, or a small inventory pilot to confirm conversion and CPC assumptions. Once validated, prepare listings and scale. If tests underperform, don't persist blindly. Diagnose whether feature fit, price, or audience is the limiting factor. Then iterate, tweak one variable, retest, and keep the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.